Digital humans. The new stars of the silver screen? Have you noticed something different at the movies lately? The characters are starting to look a little real. This isn't just better makeup or special effects, it's the rise of digital humans. These aren't just computer-generated bodies, but digital creations that can move, talk, and even evoke emotions like real actors. This technology is blurring the lines between cinema and video games, creating immersive experiences we've never seen before. Imagine watching a historical epic where the emperor isn't just played by an actor, but by a digital recreation, accurate down to the last detail. The film industry is buzzing with excitement about the possibilities, but it also raises a big question. Could these digital humans eventually replace our favorite movie stars? The science behind the magic AI and CGI. The creation of these digital beings relies on two powerful technologies: artificial intelligence, or AI, and computer-generated imagery, known as CGI. CGI is what builds the digital body, creating incredibly realistic appearances. AI is the brain behind the beauty, giving these digital humans the ability to move and emote with a lifelike quality. AI algorithms study countless hours of footage of real actors, learning their mannerisms, expressions, and even subtle nuances in their movements. This data is then used to create digital humans that can mimic these characteristics, making them incredibly convincing on screen. The technology is still evolving, but it's advancing at an incredible pace. Each year, the digital humans become more realistic, blurring the lines between fantasy and reality. A director's new toolkit, AI in script and character development. The impact of AI isn't limited to just creating digital actors, it's also changing how movies are written and characters are developed. Imagine software that can analyze a script, identify plot holes, and even suggest improvements to dialogue. That's what AI is bringing to the table for filmmakers. AI can analyze countless scripts, learning what works and what doesn't. It can identify cliches,